Hey guys, Sky Pilot here. What is this strange purple unit that I'm holding? Sailfly X. I did buy some higher capacity. These are the KV8000 motors, which makes it pack a heck of a punch. Still waiting on a VTX to come, but yeah, I'm going to have a fly. Got some landing pads on it, and yeah, she's looking pretty cool. Not too sure about the purple canopy though. Anyway, if you want to know where these bits and pieces come from, excuse me birds, yeah, you want to know where these bits and bobs come from, check out the link down below, and I'm going to see if it actually flies, because I've played around with the beta flight tune quite a bit. So before I go any further, I want to make sure she's all as she should be. Test flight number 2, the Bitzer Sailfly X. Okay, oh, it looks like it's arming. It's a good sign. Okay, it's straight up. Oh, look at that. It's alive. It's alive. Oh, that's a twitchy tune. Oh, gosh. Oh, boy. Okay. Very twitchy tune, folks. I shall be super careful, I think. This one's couldn't go anywhere. There you go. This one couldn't go absolutely anywhere. I don't want to scare the locals. Even though she waved, I think I might have scared the bejeebies out of her. I shall just do a quick punch out, make sure this thing flies well, and get the heck out of here. I think it actually looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that is a cracker. Oh boy. Anybody else walking their dog or anything? Someone over there walking? Okay. Quick punch out, folks. We'll leave it at that, but I'd say successful. She looks pretty beaut. Oh, wowzerinos. Okay. Yeah. What do you reckon, guys? Score out of 10? I know it's not finished, but that's pretty decent. How fast it is. Holy moly. Yeah, word of warning, guys. Don't fly near birds. Or your head. Okay, come here. Right, okay. I think we'll leave it at that. This thing's deadly. Sailfly X. Widowmaker, I'm going to call her. 8,000 kVs. I can't wait to FPV this thing. Holy moly. Smash that bell if you want to see this thing FPVing. I can guarantee it'll end in disaster. As always, thanks for stopping by. Support is awesome and appreciated. Take care. See you soon. Sky Pilot. Catch you later. You ripper. Flip Nick.